Of the predators found around the world, some of the most elegant and regal are the big cats. You may be able to recognize these species at first sight, but how much do you really know about them? Here's a dose of fascinating trivia about these well-loved fields. Since measuring the mass of the largest recorded animal in each species of cat can be kinda confusing, we have measured them out in pounds, kilograms and bowling balls. For the bowling balls, we have used our standard 16-pound ball. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. Snow leopard. The snow leopard is a large cat native to the mountain ranges of Central and South Asia. The name snow leopard is due to its white fur and the black spots dotted over it. Snow leopards have shorter front legs than back legs. The front legs help the cat balance and land jumps more easily. Meanwhile, the longer, powerful back legs help the cat make those impressive jumps which can be as far as 45 feet. These features are a necessity for jumping across mountains, ledges and rocky terrain while chasing down equally agile prey. Snow leopards cannot roar, rather they hiss, mew and growl. Though the snow leopard is a medium-sized cat weighing in at between 60 to 120 pounds, it can still take down prey 3 times heavier than itself. Number 4. Jaguar. This big cat's name is derived from the Native American word jaguar, which means he who kills with one leap, referencing the animal's incredible hunting prowess and strength. Jaguars used to be found throughout South America, Central America and as far into North America as the Grand Canyon. However, their numbers have been decimated by habitat loss and hunting. There are now fewer than 15,000 jaguars in the wild and they are considered an endangered species. Number 3. Cheetah. The cheetah, also known as the hunting leopard, is a big cat that occurs mainly in eastern and southern Africa and a few parts of Iran. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, able to run up to 75 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. Though cheetahs are fast, they are not perfect hunters. Only about half of their kill attempts are successful. The effort to catch prey lasts a mere 20 to 60 seconds but is incredibly energy intensive, so every missed kill is a significant amount of wasted energy. Though the species is millions of years old, cheetah population have undergone a dramatic decline in the last century. There were over 1 lakh cheetahs in 1900, but only an estimated 9,000 to 12,000 remain in the wild today, with only 200 left in Iran. Number 2. Lion. Lions are the only social species of the cat family. Members of a lion pride are typically very affectionate with each other. With plenty of cuddling and mutual grooming, they are resting. The pride also work as a team to bring down prey, which is shared with the entire group. A lion's roar can be heard as far as 5 miles away. Lion population have decreased by half since the 1950s, according to Panthera. Lions have vanished from over 80% of their historic range today. The most recent surveys estimate that there are fewer than 30,000 lions living in the wild in Africa today. Number 1. Siberian tiger. The tiger is the largest cat species, most recognizable for their pattern of dark vertical strips on reddish-orange fur with a lighter underside. Males of the largest subspecies, the Siberian tiger, weigh in at between 400 to 675 pounds on a frame measuring 6 to 7.5 feet long. Tigers are typically loners, but there have been reports of tigers traveling in groups. In most of these cases, the tigers are probably either coming together to mate or are somehow related, such as older siblings still with their mother. In any case, a group of tiger is called a streak. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.